Welcome back to the Glacier Show. Today we're interviewing climate scientists Tyler Cutillo and Jay Nogueras. How you doing, guys?
Awesome.
Good.
So today we're going to ask you a couple questions about the climate, and one of them is, what is the difference in how much glaciers are on Earth now compared to 100 years ago?
So far, how much glaciers has shrunk in area by 2/3. When President Taft created Glacier National Park almost 100 years ago, scientists predicted that within 30 years, most of the glaciers would be gone. It was home to an estimated 150 glaciers, and due to climate change, the number has decreased to less than 30, and almost all of them are gone.
Interesting. Jaden, exactly how much glacial ice currently left on Earth?
So let's see here. I think glaciers are shrinking by 300 meters each year.
The amount has been going down a great amount. Almost all of them are gone. 10% of land area on Earth is covered with glacial ice, mainly in Greenland, the Arctic, and Antarctica.
Interesting. Is human activity affecting these glaciers?
Within the past 200 years or so, human activity has increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by 40%, and other gases by a factor of 2 to 3 or more.
Interesting. Well, that'll do it with the interview on climate scientists Tyler Cutillo and Jay Nogueras. We'll see you next time on the Climate Show when we interview the environmental scientist Brett Lucier. Welcome back to the Glacier Show. Today we're interviewing environmental scientist Brett Lucier in very cold circumstances, as you can see. So we're going to ask you a couple questions today. One of them is, so are humans to blame for the melting of glaciers?
Yes, humans are to blame for this terribly quick loss of glaciers. A quarter of glacier melting was caused by humans only from 1851 to 2010, and we have caused 69% of glacier loss only in the last 29 years.
Interesting. What are humans doing to cause these huge chunks to melt?
Humans have been doing many bad things to the environment in recent history. Greenhouse gases are being emitted, and aerosols are also being emitted every day.
Interesting. How are greenhouse gases emitted?
Greenhouse gases are released during the combustion of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas to produce electricity. Greenhouse gases are emitted by cars, and when being emitted by cars, this makes up 15% of globally emitted greenhouse gases. The other amounts of greenhouse gases are released when fossil fuels are burned, when fossil fuels are processed, transported, and when deforestation occurs.
Very interesting. It was a pleasure interviewing you in this very cold place. We'll see you next time on the Glacier Show when we interview Peter Scannell. Welcome back to the Glacier Show. Today we're interviewing conservation scientist Peter Scannell. How you doing, Peter?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Well, we're going to ask you a couple questions today. One of them is, how could the glaciers melt in other places?
We have about 198,000 glaciers left in the world. If they all melted, then sea levels would rise greatly, by about 405 meters. If nothing is done about the glaciers, then they will all melt, and some small areas near the water will be submerged in ocean.
Interesting. How can the glaciers be saved from melting?
A few ways that can help the glaciers is by instead of using fossil fuels all the time, humans can start utilizing alternative energy sources, increase our energy efficiency, and also reduce our carbon footprint. Some other things that can be done that involve not using a lot of energy is driving as little as possible, unplugging electronics when they are not being used, and also using less water. These small things actually have a big impact on the amount of carbon that is put into the atmosphere. If these are used on a larger scale, then it will go a long way in reducing the amount of greenhouse gases that is put into the atmosphere.
Interesting. So this will do interviewing conservation scientist Peter Skinnell, and we'll see you next time on the Glacier Show.